Hey, esteemed viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to fill you in on something essential. The top 5 exterior wood fillers you need to know about. No paid promotions here, just straight up, no nonsense advice. So stick around till the end to discover your perfect wood filling sidekick. And if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button and join our community.
Let's dive into our first pick of the Elmer's Carpenter's Interior Wood Filler, an effective choice for all your wood repair needs with included pint int carp wood filler disc. One of its standout features is its rapid drying time, taking only 24 hours to dry, allowing you to proceed with your project quickly. It also dries hard, ensuring a durable finish. It is paintable and sandable, delivering smooth and flawless final look. This pint wood filler excels in repairing various imperfections, including holes, dents, seamlessly blending with the brown color of wood surfaces. Elmer's Carpenter's Interior Wood Filler goes the extra mile by resisting shrinking and cracking, guaranteeing long-lasting repair. Cleanup is a breeze as it easily dissolves in water, making it solvent-free and user-friendly. Achieve flawless wood surfaces effortlessly with Elmer's Carpenter's Interior Wood Filler.
Next up, we present Bondo Home Solutions Wood Filler, made from durable resin in a liquid cream form with a light brown color. Offers 1 fluid ounce of versatile, easy-to-use filler for all your wood repair needs. This 2-part formula for wood restoration creates a lasting chemical bond with surfaces, ensuring permanent, enduring adhesion. Its non-shrinking quality keeps repairs intact over time. What sets it apart is its remarkable 15-minute sanding capability, enabling you to breeze through projects without unnecessary delays. This wood filler boasts paintability, stainability, and water resistance, accommodating diverse finishing preferences and functional requirements. It's within just 25 minutes. You can confidently paint or stain your restored surfaces, enhancing your workflow efficiency. With its quick and resilient performance, Bondo Home Solutions Wood Filler ensures unwavering performance on both indoor and outdoor wood surfaces.
The following product we discuss now, the PC Products CE Woody Wood Repair Epoxy Paste, a versatile wood and plastic compatible paste material for various repair applications. This 2-part epoxy paste, boasting resistance to dry rot, UV, light and water exposure, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor projects. With a wide application temperature range from 35 to 115 degrees F and a service range of 20 to 200 degrees F, it's a best choice. Wooden panel repair. C Products epoxy paste fixes wood damage with durability in 12 to 24 hours by curing for a significant work duration of 30 to 40 minutes after application. Its high tack prevents drips and sags and generously fills cavities without shrinking or cracking, ensuring a professional finish and long-lasting wood repair. For staining, opt for darker or solid pigments for the best results. To properly use it, mixing Part A with Part B on a flat surface with a stiff putty knife is essential, so don't attempt mixing with gloves.
Let's now shift our next pick to the Goodfilla water-based wood grain filler, an 8-ounce powerhouse designed to revolutionize your woodworking game. Crafted for both professionals and dyers, it boasts shelf stability and is freeze-thaw resistant. This watercolor wood and grain filler, with a matte finish and a special washable feature, is suitable for both interior and exterior applications when mixed with Type-On 3-wood glue. Water-based wood grain filler is an eco-friendly choice, as it is a green product with zero Volkbach, zero waste, and non-toxic properties. It comes with a 365-day satisfaction guarantee. This high-quality filler saves both time and money, as it offers exceptional adhesion and a one-application feature, ensuring it won't sink, shrink, or crack. Water-based wood grain filler is not only easy to spread and sand without blinding the grain, but is also available in 11 colors, making it a versatile product suitable for use as a grain filler, primer, and knot sealer.
Last but not least, introducing our top pick, the Minwax 42,853,000 AE 16-ounce stainable wood filler, excels at repairing various imperfections on unfinished wood, from cracks to knot hole. This filler is distinguished by its compatibility with permeating Minwax wood stains, This solution fits smoothly into your staining process, delivering a uniform and beautiful finish, no matter whether you use oil-based or water-based stains. Its versatility shines through in its suitability for both indoor and outdoor projects. With its rapid drying time, you can proceed with your project promptly, while its easy sanding feature ensures a smooth, flawless surface. Minwax wood filler provides a range of user-friendly characteristics to effectively clean and restore wood, either it's chipped, cracked, scratched, or even decayed, bringing it back to its original, beautiful state. When you choose Minwax, you invest in a brand with a legacy of excellence in wood preparation and finishing, backed by years of trust from wood enthusiasts.